Okay guys, we've got the bars there. Just off the fairground. Fantasia. Yeah, I've not seen this open for a while. I don't know what the issues are with it. Yeah, it was done out last year. You'd think they want to get this open as much as they could. I don't think really it's been open for a few months now. There's the arcade, that's been open. Curling machines and whatnot. I did do a walk through there not so long back. On the Benidorm ball. I don't know which one this one will go up on, but and just like Blackpool, they've got one of them ticket machine things. 1,000 tickets, you can get a Mars bar. Something like that, ain't it, guys? I used to go in them places. 100 quid or something. You come out, there's bowling and whatnot down there. You come out, you've got enough tickets, you can go to the kiosk, you find out what you can get. You end up with a Mars bar or something. And you bite your tongue and say, well, would it not be cheaper to go to the shop and buy a Mars bar? There we go, guys. Sure, we've all had a bit of that. Got the Japanese restaurant up there. Still yet to get up there. Okay guys, I'm going to walk on down a bit now, so I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the next one. You never know where we're going to be. See you on the next one.